Let us talk about what property managers can do with ReMendIt, the only complete software solution for property management and services. Experience efficiency like never before, as you manage all aspects of your properties from one centralized hub. Using ReMendIt streamlines property management by automating building operations and tenant management workflow, leading to increased efficiency and cost savings. ReMendIt offers an intelligent system that can schedule and track maintenance work, manage inventory, and monitor asset performance in real time. This reduces the risk of human errors, ensures timely servicing, and can lead to significant reductions in operational costs. Imagine a world where tenant service requests, landlord and legal communications, vendor interactions, and team collaborations all exist in one centralized hub. That's exactly what ReMendIt offers. It's not just a platform, it's an ecosystem that connects everyone with the appropriate access for immediate responses. So why wait? Step into the future of property management. Step into the world of ReMendIt.